if gas enclosed in a cylinder and if its volume not allowed to change, then as the temperature of gas increases, then pressure exerted by the gas also increases. So, Gay-Lussac's law gives relationship between temperature and pressure of gas for constant volume of gas. As temperature of gas increases, then pressure exerted by gas also increases. Therefore, pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Implies pressure divided by temperature equals to constant, where P is the pressure and T equals to absolute temperature of the gas. Absolute temperature is measured in Kelvin. If T is a absolute temperature in Kelvin and 0 Kelvin equals to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. And in general, absolute temperature T equals to degrees Celsius plus 273.15, and this value will be in Kelvin. For general calculations, we take approximate value of absolute temperature T equals to x degrees Celsius plus 273 and result is in Kelvin. Therefore, temperature of first cylinder is T1 equals to 373 Kelvin. Temperature of second cylinder is 473 Kelvin and temperature of the third cylinder is 573 Kelvin. According to Gay Lussac's law, pressure divided by temperature equals to constant, where T is temperature in Kelvin, implies P1 upon T1 equals to P2 divided by T2 equals to P3 divided by T3 equals to constant. Therefore, we get T1 equals to C multiplied by T1 and P2 equals to C multiplied by T2 and P3 equals to C multiplied by T3, where C is a constant. Since T3 greater than T2 and T2 greater than T1, therefore pressure of the third cylinder greater than pressure of second cylinder and the pressure of second cylinder is greater than pressure of first cylinder. Therefore, among the three cylinders, the third cylinder will explode with highest pressure.